Hello everyone, this is Kanksha Gangapuram and you are watching Hybiz News. EThames College, one of the few distinguished degree colleges in Hyderabad that aims to provide experiential learning through Industry Connect, has announced its flagship incubation program EThames ELabZ with an objective to seed the idea of pursuing entrepreneurship in students' mind. EThames College has designed the EThames ELabZ incubation program in partnership with well-reputed startup ecosystem players like TiE and IIIT Hyderabad. The program was launched today by Sri Navin Mittal, IAS Commissioner of Technical and Collegiate Education, Govt of Telangana, Murali Bukkapatnam, Vice Chairman of TiE Global, Suresh Raju, President TiE Hyderabad, Professor Ramesh Loganathan, Head of CIE IIIT Hyderabad, and Prasad Chairman EThames College. Prasad Gadiraju, Chairman EThames College said, "We are privileged to launch our EThames ELabZ in collaboration with our esteemed partners TiE and IIIT Hyderabad to inspire the students and install the spirit of entrepreneurship at a young age. We have developed first of its kind innovative program EThames ELabZ for non-engineering students. While we have witnessed incubation programs developed at universities and engineering colleges, this is the first time we are introducing an incubation program at the graduation level that focuses on inspiring the student to build consumer brands and motorcycle companies which will create more employment." Thank you for watching Hybiz News.